Taro nga, taro nga.
Sama. Ay, kamu dua. Nagkasaya tayo mo. Ah, wala.
Liwat mo ni ka sa ako, Bi. Umbale. Oh, grabe, taro nga. Gi, taro nga. Oh, terputo. Oh, liwat.
Mama, nagalay grasshopper, made. Come on.
You play with Tina.
Tina, I'm scared for the grasshopper.
Nah, don't be scared.
I want to get you grasshopper. I want to tell you.
You play lang.
I want to tell you how it turned out. Wow. Come on. Because here they am. Listen, they am. I'm eat lunch. I like banana. I want to eat.
How about you, Tina?
I want to eat too. Give me that lunch. I want to lunch. I want water. Lunch. Your water. Water. You ready to lunch, Tina? Yeah. At lunchtime. In the washing time. A washing time.
Gian.
A washing time pass.
Sit down here. What did you eat?
Lunch.
How about you, Tina? What did you eat?
Banana.
Huh?
Banana.
Banana?
Yeah, I like banana too. I have banana in a bite. Like a monkey. Should do this. Wait a minute. What's that you have?
Come here. Face it. Say hi.
Hi. I'm eating lunch.
Come here. Come here.
What? I'm eating banana.
You talk to Tina.
Hi, Tina. Hi. Hi, I'm Janji. Hi.
Hello.
Hello, Mommy.
Hi.
Mommy,
What
I
is your
want to...
favorite food?
Rice.
Rice and
Banana.
banana. How about you, Tina?
My favorite is chocolate, lollipop. This is my favorite lollipop, favorite, and vegetable sabaw.
Vegetable.
Sabaw.
Malunggay.
Sabaw.
Sabaw of malunggay.
Yeah, I like them. That's my favorite.
How about the fruits?
I like grapes.
Grapes.
Yeah, I like grapes. I love them. I like red grapes.
How
Red.
about you, Tina?
What's your favorite? Favorite.
I think Tina's favorite is melon.
Your favorite is frog? Yeah. Your orange frog.
Did you eat frog, Tina? Me.
You want to eat frog because it's dirty. Yeah.
Oh.
Yucky.
Finish it, Kuya. Tina is... Don't throw it. You throw it in the garbage.
Stop.
You throw it, Tina. Tina is a good girl. Are you a good girl?
Yeah. It's not. It's disgusting.
It's disgusting?
Yeah.
What is disgusting?
Banana.